In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more than just a necessity. It's a chance to protect the world's most valuable asset, information. Whether you're passionate about solving puzzles, preventing cyber threats, or securing critical systems, there's a place for you in this fast-growing field. In this video, we'll explore 5 promising cybersecurity career paths, each offering a unique opportunity to make a real impact. If you're looking to start a rewarding career in the ever-evolving digital world, stay tuned. The growing need for cybersecurity professionals. In today's interconnected world, technology is at the heart of everything we do, powering businesses, connecting communities, and driving innovation. But with this increasing reliance on technology comes a darker reality: the rise of cyber attacks. From ransomware targeting hospitals to phishing scams, stealing personal data, the threat landscape is growing more complex by the day. Businesses and organizations, large and small, are scrambling to protect their data, customers, and operations. Yet, as the threats escalate, there's a critical challenge: a massive shortage of qualified cybersecurity professionals. Organizations are in dire need of experts to fortify their defenses and safeguard their digital assets. This growing demand presents a golden opportunity for anyone looking to enter a field where the stakes are high, the work is rewarding, and the impact is global. If you've been considering a career in cybersecurity, there's never been a better time to get started. Career Path 1, Cybersecurity Analyst. First on our list is one of the most in-demand roles in the cybersecurity field, the Cybersecurity Analyst. Cybersecurity Analysts are the frontline defenders of an organization's digital infrastructure. Their primary responsibility is to analyze security threats and uncover vulnerabilities in systems and networks before attackers can exploit them. From implementing robust security measures to safeguard sensitive data to monitoring systems for unusual activity, cybersecurity analysts play a critical role in mitigating risks and preventing breaches. When incidents do occur, these professionals spring into action, investigating security breaches, determining the scope of the attack, and ensuring systems are restored to full strength. Their work doesn't just protect data, it protects trust and reputation. If you have a knack for problem-solving and thrive under pressure, the role of a cybersecurity analyst could be the perfect way to launch your career in this exciting field. Career Path 2, Ethical Hacker. Next up, we have a role that's as exciting as it sounds: the ethical hacker. Also known as penetration testers, these professionals are the ultimate good guys of the cybersecurity world. Ethical hackers use their expertise to test systems for vulnerabilities and weaknesses, simulating real-world cyber attacks to uncover security gaps before malicious hackers can exploit them. From identifying flaws in network architecture to exposing vulnerabilities in software applications, ethical hackers leave no stone unturned. Their mission? To think like a hacker, but act like a hero. Beyond uncovering vulnerabilities, they also play a key role in developing strategies to improve security, helping organizations strengthen their defenses and prevent real-world attacks. If you're curious, creative, and love outsmarting bad actors, a career as an ethical hacker could be your chance to make a difference in the fight against cybercrime. Career Path 3, Security Engineer. The third career path is for the builders and architects of cybersecurity, the security engineer. These professionals are the backbone of an organization's digital defenses, designing, building, and implementing security solutions tailored to protect systems and networks. From secure configurations to the implementation of security protocols, security engineers ensure that every aspect of an organization's infrastructure is protected from potential threats. They are also responsible for monitoring and managing security infrastructure, keeping a watchful eye on systems to detect and respond to potential vulnerabilities before they escalate into real problems. Whether it's designing robust network architectures or maintaining the integrity of existing systems, security engineers combine technical expertise with strategic vision to safeguard digital assets. If you enjoy building solutions and tackling complex technical challenges, becoming a security engineer offers a dynamic and rewarding career in cybersecurity. Career Path 4. Digital Forensics Analyst. Next on our list is a career that blends technology with detective work, the Digital Forensics Analyst. These professionals play a pivotal role in uncovering the truth behind cybercrime cases. Digital forensics analysts investigate digital evidence, working to uncover what happened, how it happened, and who was responsible. From recovering deleted or corrupted files to tracing the origins of malicious activity, their work often serves as the foundation for legal proceedings. They analyze network traffic to pinpoint malicious activity, retrace the steps of an attacker, and secure evidence that can be used to hold cybercriminals accountable. Digital forensics analysts are the unsung heroes who connect the dots, turning chaos into clarity and ensuring justice is served in the digital realm. If you have a passion for solving mysteries and a meticulous eye for detail, a career as a digital forensics analyst offers a challenging yet rewarding path in the world of cybersecurity. Career Path 5. Information Security Manager. Finally, we have a leadership role that drives an organization's entire cybersecurity strategy. The Information Security Manager. This career path is ideal for those who aspire to lead and shape the future of digital security within a company. Information security managers oversee all aspects of cybersecurity, from identifying potential threats to ensuring robust defenses are in place. They're responsible for developing and implementing security policies and procedures tailored to their organization's needs. Leading a team of security professionals, they ensure that everyone is aligned with the company's goals. This role also involves managing budgets, allocating resources, and staying ahead of the latest security trends to keep the organization protected. As the bridge between technical teams and business leadership, information security managers are critical in driving a culture of security awareness and resilience throughout the organization. If you're a natural leader with a passion for both technology and strategy, a career as an information security manager could be the perfect way to make a lasting impact in the cybersecurity world. How to get started in cybersecurity. Now that you've learned about 5 exciting cybersecurity careers, you might be wondering, how do I get started? Don't worry, the path to a cybersecurity career is more accessible than you think. The first step is gaining foundational knowledge. Online courses and certifications, such as CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, or Cisco's CyberOps Associate, are excellent starting points. These resources help you build the skills and knowledge required to kickstart your career. Next, connect with the cybersecurity community. Networking with professionals through social media, forums, or industry events can provide valuable insights, mentorship, and even job opportunities. Don't underestimate the power of relationships in advancing your career. Finally, create a portfolio that demonstrates your skills. Set up a home lab, participate in capture the flag competitions, or contribute to open-source cybersecurity projects. A well-crafted portfolio shows potential employers that you have hands-on experience and a genuine passion for the field. Remember, starting a career in cybersecurity is a journey. With dedication, continuous learning, and practical experience, you'll be well on your way to making a difference in this vital and growing industry. A rewarding career path. A career in cybersecurity isn't just a job, it's an opportunity to make a real difference. By choosing this path, you'll play a crucial role in protecting businesses, organizations, and individuals from the ever-growing threat of cyber attacks. Your work will have a significant impact in the digital world. Whether it's safeguarding sensitive data, preventing costly breaches, or ensuring the integrity of critical infrastructure, you'll be at the forefront of securing our interconnected lives. And let's not forget, cybersecurity professionals are in high demand. With competitive salaries and countless opportunities for growth, this is a career path that offers both personal and professional rewards. If you're ready to combine your passion for technology with a mission to protect and serve in the digital space, a career in cybersecurity awaits you. The possibilities are endless, and the impact you can make is immeasurable.